Hey everyone, let's talk about how to fix Meetup RSVP error. So to fix this issue, you can start by logging out and then log back in. Just head to your Meetup app, then tap on the Home tab at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on the Settings icon at the top right corner. Then scroll all the way down to Log Out. Once you log out, close the app, reopen it, and then log back in to refresh your session. Now, the next what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store and then find Meetup. And if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. Now, the next what you can do is reinstall the app. If updating doesn't work, completely uninstall the Meetup app from your phone and then restart your device, then download and install the app again. Now, the next what you can do is switch to desktop or mobile browsers. Meetup's mobile app occasionally suffers from bugs or glitches that prevent button clicks. If you are in a hurry, open your mobile web browser like Chrome or Safari, then go to Meetup, log in, and RSVP to the event directly from the website. If you're still experiencing issues, it may be a temporary server outage on Meetup's end, or the event registration may have closed. You can visit the Meetup Help Center for further assistance or to submit a bug report. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.